The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, second canto, fourth chapter, text number 3 and 4, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on June 27th, 1972, in Los Angeles.
Sages, the great soul Maharaj Parikshit, constantly wrapped in the thoughts of Lord Krishna, knowing well of his imminent death, renounced all sorts of fruitive activities, namely acts of religion, economic development, and sense gratification, and thus fixed himself firmly in his natural love for Krishna, and asked exactly all these questions as you are asking me.
So, Krishnanubhava Sravane Saddadhana Mahamana Vasudevi Bhagavati Atmabhavang Dirangata. Krishnanubhava Sravane. When we hear from right source, the natural result will be Krishna consciousness, Krishnanubhava, Krishna Bhavanamrita, Saddadhana Mahamana. One who hears with attention, with faith, Mahamana, just like the great sages in Naimisharanya, they did. The real purpose is Vasudevi Bhagavati, Atma Bhavang Dirangata, to increase our affection or love for Krishna, Vasudevi Bhagavati. Vasudevi Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Prayojita Janayati Asu Vairagyam. Purpose, Sangnasya, renounce. People cannot renounce. They are very much attached to this material body and anything in relationship with this body. But the real purpose of human life is to become renounced, no more material body. That is required. Vairagyam, this is called vairagyam, or renounced. Because we want this material body, therefore we get it, life after life. This will continue so long we will be overpowered by material thought. Material thought means these fruitive activities. I shall work very hard and I shall get so much wealth. And for this purpose I can go to church and temple. If God gives me millions of dollars, then I am ready to go there. So real purpose is sense gratification. If I take to religious principles, then I will get more money without any hard work, and if I get more money, then I will be able to satisfy my senses. This is called dharmartha kama. And there is another stage which is called moksha, liberation. So people are not interested for liberation. They want to become religious for material benefit. But that is not the real purpose of life. Material benefit you cannot get more than what you are destined to have. That is already fixed up. According to your body, you get the body, we get different types of body, and according to the body, our material sufferings and enjoyment are fixed up already. You cannot have more or less. Otherwise, you see one man is working so hard day and night and he could hardly maintain himself or his family. And another man is going to the market, sits down for 1 hour and earns $100,000 immediately. You can see. Simply by touching the phone, he simply asks what is the rate of this, what is the rate of that, and he makes one transaction and immediately he gets $1,000. And this man is working hard day and night, he could not get even 2 sufficient meals. So that means, according to the body, the material happiness, just like you are, you have got this American body, so automatically your country's facilities, you are more comfortable than other countries because you have no scarcity, enough production, everything is enough. So, according to the body, you are getting comforts of life. And in another country, deserted country, very hard living, cannot get nice food stuff, only living on animals. That is also very rarely. So, these are demands, just like in Greenland, it is filled up with ice, they cannot get any nice food. Still they live there. This is Maya. They will not think, here the life is very difficult, let me go away from here, let me go to some other better place. No, he will not go. Janani janma mamishcha sargadapi gariyasi. Our birthplace, even it is hell, it is better than heaven. That is Maya. Just like hog. Hog is living most abominable condition of life, with stools and filthy water, but still he is thinking he is living in heaven. Janani janma homishcha sargadapi gariyas. Therefore, the conclusion is that so far material comforts are concerned, you cannot get more or less. You will get. It is already fixed. Deho yogena deha. Sukham oindriyakang daitya. Deho yogena dehina. Sarvatra labhate. Yatha dukkham ajatanata. Prahlad Maharaj said. Sarvatra labhate. So far material comfort is concerned, what you are destined to get, you will get it. Wherever you may live, it doesn't matter. Your allotment is already there. That is your body. And our sense pleasure means this material bodily pleasure, that is all. Sukham oindriyakam. We have got these senses, hands, legs, eyes, ears, and 5 and working senses and gathering, knowledge gathering senses, they are all constitute the whole body. So bodily comfort means these sense gratification. Dharma, artha, kama. But here it is said, Traivargikam Samastha Vijnaya Sangnasya Karma Traivargikam Jacha. When you are ready for death, there is no more this Traivargikam. Traivargikam means religion and economic development and Sanskrit. This is human civilization. This is not human civilization in one sense, because there is question of dharma. Dharma means